Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we talk all things finance. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 10 smart money moves to make in your 20s. If you're in your 20s, you have a unique opportunity to set yourself up for financial success, so it's important to take advantage of it. Let's dive in. Start saving for retirement. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. Even if it's just a small amount, putting money into a retirement account now will pay off big time in the future. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a great way to track your spending and make sure you're not overspending in certain areas. It also helps you save money for things that are important to you. Build an emergency fund. You never know when an emergency will strike, so it's important to have an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in case of job loss or unexpected expenses. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly become overwhelming. Focus on paying off this debt first to avoid paying more in interest over time. Start investing. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, but it's a great way to grow your wealth over time. Start by investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Live below your means. Living below your means is key to building wealth. Avoid overspending on things you don't need and focus on saving and investing your money. Focus on your career. Your 20s are a great time to focus on your career and build valuable skills. Invest in yourself by taking courses, attending workshops, or getting certifications to increase your earning potential. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals will help you stay motivated and on track. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or paying off student loans, having a goal in mind will help you stay focused. Build good credit. Having good credit is important when it comes to things like buying a house or getting a loan. Start building good credit by paying your bills on time and keeping your credit utilization low. Don't forget to enjoy life. While it's important to be financially responsible, it's also important to enjoy life. Set aside some money for things that make you happy, whether it's travel, hobbies, or dining out. Conclusion. So there you have it, 10 smart money moves to make in your 20s. Remember, it's never too early to start building your wealth and securing your financial future. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more finance tips and advice.